There's Chase's tongue. Yeah, there's his tongue. Let me see. There it is. Good job. Here we go. Yeah, there's his tongue. Good job. Here's Mommy's tongue. Where's Chase's tongue? Hey, where's Chase's tongue? Hey, there was it. There it was. There was his tongue. Hey. Hey, Chase. Hey. There's his tongue. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Stick his tongues out. There it is. Oh my goodness, Holmes getting so good at sticking out his tongue. Where did you learn how to do that? Did Grandpa Mike show you that? Did Grandpa Mike show you how to stick your tongue out? Did Grandpa Mike show you that? Chase. There's his tongue. There's Mama's tongue. Where's Chase's tongue? Why am I getting a There's his tongue. Yay, Mama, yay. Why am I getting a sad face? Oh, we're going to cry.